Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things product comparison. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the DroneEYE F10 foldable drone. Let's call it FlyEye. And on the right, we've got the ATTOP drone, aka Top Fly. Both of these drones promise to turn you into an aerial ace. But which one is going to give you more bang for your buck? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the cameras. FlyEye comes with a 1080p FPV camera that promises smooth FPV transmission within 120 meters. Reviewers appreciate its decent video quality and ease of sharing footage on social media. However, some users noted that the camera quality might not truly reach 1080p. On the other hand, Top Fly sports a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's praised for capturing high-resolution pics and having a longer control range of 292 feet. The ATTOP Club app makes it easier to control and share your footage, though some users reported issues with the camera and app connectivity. Next, let's talk flight time. FlyEye comes with a single battery that offers a decent flight time, but reviewers have mixed feelings about its battery life, with some praising it and others finding it lacking. Top Fly, however, comes with 3 batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love the extended flight time and the modular, easy-to-change batteries. The low battery alert feature is also a hit among users. Now, both drones come packed with fun features. FlyEye can perform stunts like 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. You can draw a route on its app and it will follow it. It also offers 3 speed options, making it versatile for different flying experiences. Reviewers appreciate these features but note that they can be tricky to master. Top Fly also performs 360 degrees flips and has voice control, which is a unique feature. It's compatible with VR glasses for a 3D experience, adding another layer of fun. Users find these features engaging, though some had issues with the voice control and VR compatibility. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. FlyEye boasts a one-key start landing function and has a default altitude hold, making it super easy to control. With headless mode and one-key return, it's practically foolproof. Reviewers agree that it's easy to handle, even for those new to drones. Top Fly also keeps it simple with one-key return, altitude hold, and headless mode. It includes an emergency stop feature, which users find very useful for preventing crashes. However, some beginners found it a bit challenging to get used to all the features. Finally, let's talk about the dough. FlyEye comes in at a cool $79. It's a budget-friendly option that offers good value for its price, according to reviewers. Top Fly, on the other hand, is priced at $109. While it's a bit more expensive, users feel that the extra batteries and advanced features justify the higher price. Both drones offer good value, but it depends on what you're looking for and your budget. Overall, reviewers find FlyEye to be a good budget option with adequate features, though some have had issues with the camera quality and battery life. Top Fly generally receives positive feedback for its extended battery life, high-resolution camera, and innovative features, despite some connectivity and durability issues. So which drone should you pick? If you're on a budget and want something versatile and easy to use, FlyEye might just be your new best friend. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for longer flight times and more advanced features, Top Fly is the way to go. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a comparison. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you're leaning towards. Until next time, happy flying! Product links are in the description.